Thank you for visiting Leducation Virtual Show and stopping at the Waldman Lighting display. Our display is featuring several new products, including our new STARLINE series of downlights. So please take a look at all of our videos. Waldman has always designed our products around ergonomics and visual comfort for our end users, and we continue this philosophy with our new series of STARLINE downlights. With downlighting, glare is always an issue, so to solve this problem, Waldman has engineered a unique LED optic system to achieve comfortable unified glare ratings, or UGR. Using specially designed microprism reflectors, we shape light precisely to UGR values well below the office norms of less than 19, while offering narrow to wide beam angles. A choice of beam angles in 35, 55, and 75 degrees are used in round, square, and rectangular form factors to be part of any creative lighting design. To complete a full office solution, the same MD optics are used in our linear lighting system as pendant or recessed fixtures, our 2x2 recessed asterisk flat panel, and our wall washers. With a wide range of beam angles, sizes, shapes, and colors, we can create the most modern designs with performance up to 3,500 lumens, and most importantly, a low glare downlight solution. Please visit our website for more information or call your rep to set up a demo. Thank you for visiting.